No,
So
you mean to say that you said right now that you import the machineries from
yes.
Taiwan. So you get the product from Taiwan and you give it to the central government actually.
State government,
State government.
state government. Those also, they are that type of sprayer is not manufactured in India.
Okay.
That is a Taiwan assembled sprayer fitted with a Japanese engine.
Okay.
That their government is giving 6,000 rupees as subsidy, and it is costing nearly 13,000 rupees.
30,000.
Our cultivator is paying the balance about 7,000 rupees, and he is taking the sprayer.
Okay.
We are the direct distributors for the Taiwan company, and we are having an IEC license also. That is
ISO license.
import and export license.
Okay. So do you have a certificate of ISO certificate?
I am having an ISO certification.
You also have it.
ISO 9001.
9001. All right. So how about the support from the government? You said that the government gives the tender and then you supply the machineries. So how about the support from the government actually regarding the agriculture?
One thing is there, whether there is government support or not, we must be self-sufficient. That is the main thing.
Right.
Now, this year, there is not much of business. Last year, because of the elections, lot of business is there. This March, we are now, a lot of payment is pending from the government. It depends, but government is supporting the farmer, and it is also supporting the small scale industry to the level best.
So how about the support from the localites over here, the local people over here?
Local people not like that, because of the farming community here, particularly in Andhra Pradesh, East Godavari, West Godavari, Krishna, Guntur are the potential districts for agriculture. East and West for paddy, Krishna also, and for commercial crop, Guntur, Ongole district is also there. There here, because of Godavari basin and this Krishna basin, all farmers put 2 crops and 1 pulse in the summer. So there is a lot of demand for spraying, fertilizer, pesticide, all these things. So we are in the business agriculture hub of the place.
So how about the production in a year?
We go on manufacturing throughout the year. But in the from June, July, when sowing is started, there is after sowing is started, there is demand for spraying also. In May, April, there is slack season. That in the slack season also we continue our business, doing our production and stock the equipment. In demand we sell them. We are like that, we will have an inventory of about 3 to 4 months. Or else we cannot supply in the peak season.
Okay. What all is there in the spray actually? We see that the men come and spray over in the canals and the agriculture department over there. So what is there in that bag actually? Can you explain?
No. That is not a bag. There is an equipment. Actually, there are brass model and HDP model also. Some containers are pressure retaining containers, some are non-pressure retaining containers. In non-pressure retaining containers, HDPE, that is high density polyethylene, is also used, because nowadays brass cost has gone up very much. For spraying on paddy, mostly the cultivator uses this hand compression sprayer, the 14-liter hand compression sprayer. There are various capacities in it also, 14 liter, 12 liter, 9 liter, 6 liter, 3.5 liters also. For a small version of 3.5 liters, so 9 liters, cultivator will carry that and go on spraying even in the coconut. For the coconut also. In Kerala, they are climbing a coconut tree also. That was there. Here in Godavari, for fumigation purpose, anti-malaria purpose, 9 liters is also used. For foot operated sprayers and rocker sprayers, they are used for mango tropes, cashew, like that. These flower sprayers are mostly used in the commercial sector, where cotton is there. tobacco is there. For that, power sprayer is
Power
being
sprays.
used. Like that, it depends upon the using. There are several types.
You bring machineries, spraying machineries from Taiwan. You import it. So how about the competition in this field actually?
There is a lot of competition. Several other people are also importing these things and selling in India.
Mm-hmm.
There are importers in Chennai, Bangalore and Hyderabad. So many places are there. Not only from Taiwan, equipment is coming from China also.
Okay.
The Chinese equipment is a little bit cheap, but Taiwan's quality is good. So we are procuring the material from Taiwan at the present.
So what all difficulties you faced while starting up this business, Ajay?
Actually, I already mentioned you that I am a second generation entrepreneur. I
So you
entered that,
had-
my father faced that, whatever the difficulty he faced.
So after joining you in this business, what all developments you have made?
Actually, we developed 2 or 3 items. One is that paddy winnowing machine,
Paddy.
winnowing fan, manually operated fan. Because when there is no wind in the paddy fields, the winnowing was stopped.
Oh.
So a manually operated fan we have developed that was recognized by the government, and government subsidized it at 50% subsidy. And we developed a rat blower. There is for killing rat menace in the paddy fields.
Oh.
Previously, the cultivator used to keep some tablets, chemicals like that. Now with a burnt hay, in this rat blower, smoke is generated. The rat is killed due to suffocation.
Okay.
So it is a natural process. There is no recurring expense of the tablets like that. That was developed. And for our rescue, the CTRI is there, and CTRI choose us as their partner. That is CTRI means Central Tobacco Research Institute, that is situated in Rajahmundry.
All right.
And they developed one mission for banana fiber extraction.
Okay.
That machine we manufactured. They take 4% royalty on the selling rate. We are the only person who is authorized to manufacture the machinery.
Okay.
And we sold these machines in Meghalaya, in Assam, West Bengal, several places.
Towards the east side.
Towards the east, mostly in the eastern side.
Eastern side.
Eastern side. In Kerala also we have given
Oh.
1 or 2 missions to the horticulture department.
Okay.
Recently we exported 2 missions to West Indies also.
Western India.
West Indies also, to the University of West Indies
Uh-huh.
in Trinidad.
Okay.